The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. If needed, use pliers. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1293 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the screws. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.